Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your dividend income using Charles Schwab, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your dividend income using Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Visit the Schwab website or open the Schwab mobile app on your device. Enter your username and password, then click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Overview section. Look for the investment account where you hold your dividend-paying stocks. Click on that specific investment account to view its details. Find the Activity tab or section within your investment account. Select this tab to see a list of recent transactions. In the Activity list, look for entries labeled as dividend or dividend income. If necessary, you can adjust the date range to capture the dividends for a specific period. Click on individual dividend entries to view more detailed information. Take note of the amount received and the date it was credited to your account. Next, navigate to the Reports or Statements section, usually found in the main menu. From there, choose the option to view tax documents or income reports. Select the most recent tax document, often labeled as a 1099 div. This document will provide a comprehensive summary of your dividend income for the year. Review the information for accuracy, including total dividends received. If you find discrepancies, consider reaching out to Schwab customer service for assistance. Keep a record of your dividend income for your personal finance tracking and tax reporting needs. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your dividend income through your Charles Schwab account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.